Chapter 16. Thinking nature tells that in a lion's mind, God is a big lion. But that is wrong. So is mankind, who thinks that God is a father or a lover. Wrong about the belief in real God. Though mankind knows God and understands that nothing resembles God, even then they call God a lover or a father. Isn't it strange that they do not ponder over what they say? God is God, and God created love, lovers, and beloveds. God is God, and God created all fathers, mothers, sons and daughters. And God is not a man, or a creature. And God is not even a male or a female. And that is what is meant by nothing resembles God, in heaven, or on earth, or in waters under the earth. It was the possession and hold of God, or the grip of God, and the presence of God, which was mentioned by the wise as the hands or the face of God, in an idiomatic sense, to let the villagers believe in God. And the wise never told anyone that God is a man or a male with hands or a face. Those who understand must know that the difference of Creator and Father is the difference of God and the creature of God. And the love of a lover is the lover's weakness. And the beloved one is greater than the lover, due to the lover's love. So, before the day of judgment, rectify your faith. Paradise awaits.